Kaspa at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a breakdown move, but I still maintain that Kaspa is one of the few coins that I expect is going to give us more than a 10x in the next coming weeks. And today I will be giving you my analysis and the roadmap that I expect Kaspa to follow all the way to a new all-time high, giving you the key areas of support that you need to continue holding within and the key areas of resistances that you need to break above. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the weekly chart, from the lows we made back in May 2023, we saw these aggressive bounce all the way to a new all-time high, where you can see that on that bounce the market was up more than 1570.84%, and on that bounce we managed to complete the formation of this larger wave 1. Then we started a pullback to the downside in the formation of this larger wave 2, which has continued to hold within the Fibonacci key areas of supports that were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave all the way to the high we made in that wave 1. And on so doing, the area that I have been paying attention to as the key area of support has been between the Fib 0.5 all the way to the maximum area on the Fibonacci, which is the Fib 0.88, and that is between the 0.1125 and the 0.03614, which is that red target area highlighted on the chart. And that is an area that we have now managed to fully maximize, and there's a very high chance that a low is now in and a bounce is imminent to the upside in the formation of this third wave, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fib extension from the low of the first wave all the way to the high of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the lows we made in the formation of that second wave. And on so doing, the area that I am paying attention to lies on the Fib 1.618, and that lies above the 0.35878 as my first impulsive target area. Then I can expect a wave 4 pullback and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5. And that means that as long as we continue holding within our Fibonacci key area of support highlighted on the charts using that red target area, there's a chance that Kaspa can still bounce and make a new all-time high in the next coming weeks. We also need to have in mind that a worst case scenario can also unfold in the next coming days, and that means that at some point we can break out of this target area to the downside, continue showing more bearish momentum, and at some point get a reset of the lows we made in May 2023. And the moment that unfolds, then Kaspa will be at a very high risk of giving us more bearish momentum and even maybe at some point give us a reset of the lows, that is the bear market lows, in the next coming weeks. So that is something else that you need to have in mind. And jumping to the 1 hour chart to identify another key area of support that we can pay attention to, and I think it's better seen here on the 4 hour chart. If we connect the Fibonacci's from the lows we made on the 21st of November all the way to the highs we made on the 28th of November, we get a minimum retracement area where we can find support on this pullback, which lies between the Fib 0.5 all the way to the 7.8, and that is between the 0.0496 and the 0.04189. That is another key area of support that we can pay attention to on the short term. On holding within these, then we can expect another bounce in the next coming days, pushing a little bit higher, aiming for the 0.07 mark and the 0.01 mark in the next coming days. So that is the price action that I expect here on the Kaspa chart on the short term and also on the long term, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.